This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jennifer Akiko Yamada. Located in the wonderful established community of Grove Pointe. This pristine home features 3-bedroom/2-bath, plus den, with an open floor plan. Upon entering, you will notice the abundance of natural light that accentuates the beautiful neutral color palette of the freshly painted interior and brand new vinyl flooring that runs continuously throughout the home. There is plenty of room for friends and family. Inside you will find a separate dining room area, room for a dedicated office, a very large living room and an indoor laundry room. The abundant amount of space in the living room makes it the perfect space for entertaining, as it looks out to a double set of sliding doors that opens out to the oversized screened-in patio. Go from the indoors to the amazing outdoors. Not only is the lot lush with green grass, it is also filled with mature fruit trees to include Longan, Papaya, 4 types of mango, Avocado, jackfruit, Loquat and Sapote. As an added bonus, there is a well that is used for irrigation, so the water bills are kept to a minimum. Some highlights include a newer roof installed in 2019, new vinyl flooring throughout, fresh painted interior and exterior and new bathroom vanities. Ideally located within some top-rated school districts, 15 minutes to Siesta Key and 10 minutes to University Town Center. This house is